Welcome to the installation of Trusscore PVC wall and ceiling panels. Made from 100% virgin PVC, Trusscore can be used for any job where you need a smooth finish that is easy to clean, low maintenance, and abuse resistant. Trusscore's extra-wide 16-inch panel reduces time and labor costs compared to competitors' standard 12-inch panels. Trusscore's unique truss design and half-inch thickness provides industry-leading spanning properties and high strength. It's highly resistant to most chemicals and is unaffected by moisture. Standard and custom lengths are available. Before installation, the building and materials must be conditioned above 10 degrees Celsius for a minimum of 24 hours before installation can begin. This is to ensure expansion and contraction does not occur after installation has been completed. When handling Trusscore, be sure to use proper safety measures and review your installation guide before you begin. Installing Trusscore is a simple process that requires only common tools. When using a circular saw to cut Trusscore, use a fine-tooth blade with the blade installed in the reverse direction for a cleaner cut. Use zinc-plated fasteners for most applications. For high moisture applications, it's recommended to use stainless steel fasteners. Use a white neutral cure silicone to seal all corners, fixtures, and small holes. Before you begin the installation process, it's important to ensure your walls adhere to all local building codes and practices. It's recommended to use 1-inch by 4-inch strapping every 24 inches as a minimum, or 7/16" OSB can also be used as solid sheathing. When installing electrical or lighting, install adequate backing at each location. The following is a list of available trims for your job. Outside corner, J-trim, inside corner cove, base trim, H-divider, inside-outside corner, 45-degree H-divider. Ensure all necessary trims are installed prior to the first panel. Depending on your application, begin by installing base or J-trim along the bottom of the wall. Next, install J-trim along the top of the wall, or use an inside corner cove. When installing Trusscore panels on walls and ceilings, install ceiling panels first before installing the inside corner cove trim on the wall. When cutting panels, leave a minimum of 1/4 inch clearance at the ends of all panels to allow for expansion and contraction. Starting at a corner, insert the first panel into the trims and slide the panel along until it's flush with the wall. Make sure the first panel is square to ensure the remaining panels are plumb. Using a pancake head fastener, always fasten Trusscore panels in the center of the nailing flange. Fasteners should be installed at all strapping locations, not to exceed 24 inches apart. Do not over-tighten. When installing the inside corner cove trim, there are a few options. Number 1. At corners, install J-trim vertically to finish the ends of the butt joints. Number 2. Install the inside corner cove trim, attaching at the flange. Before installing the second panel, ensure the first panel is completely fastened. Interlock the panel so it's flush with the first panel. In a high moisture application, be sure to add sealant into the female end of all panels. Do not install below 10 degrees Celsius, or panel distortion may occur. During the installation process, you may need to cut and trim around objects, such as lighting, windows, and electrical. Be sure to overlap trims appropriately to ensure a proper fit. Cleaning Trusscore is a simple process. Use a mild cleaning solution with water and use a cloth, soft bristle brush, or a spray wand. To remove tougher stains, contact your local Trusscore distributor for recommendations. Make sure to follow all precautionary labeling instructions on all cleaning agents you use. Thank you for watching the installation of Trusscore PVC wall and ceiling panels. Trusscore's easy to install and low maintenance make it a great choice for any project you may have.